Hello, my friends. Christopher Baroulette with the Baroulette Collection at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I am here with another great new construction opportunity in sunny St. Cloud, Florida. Today, September 24th, 2021, we are going to be taking a look at what's available with Ashton Woods at Sunbrook. We are back in my favorite neck of the woods, and there are still some great opportunities in this area. I really want to make sure that you know about them. A great location with close proximity to Lake Nona. The timing is just right as there are some big plans and developments to come. Just 20 minutes from the Orlando airport and 30 minutes to Disney and other attractions. Sunbrook amenities are going to include a clubhouse, an activity room with a resort-style pool and a children's playground area. I love the Ashton Woods style and always bring my clients who are looking for modern layouts with artistic flair and luxury touches. Behind me is the Griffin, and it is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage, and just over 3,000 square feet. There are options to add up to 2 more bedrooms, another bathroom, a bonus room, and more. The 4 elevations that they offer have some nice style. I really would love to know your favorites, so let me know down in the comments. At the time of filming, the current starting price for this home here in Sunbrook is $454,990. This is before your home site, structural changes, and any upgrades chosen. So let's go ahead and pop on into the Griffin and let's see what you think of the layout. Upon walking up, the Griffin has a very great style. I think it's something that is definitely more classic, not too flashy, but I love the addition of the siding up top there and kind of like a mix of the stucco. That's definitely a look that I enjoy with some of the homes that we've been looking at. I love the way that they do the trims on this. Again, just a nice sleek look, something to keep it simple. Now, I know that we're not seeing the typical driveway, but just like we see the walkway here, cement, this is what you would have. It's going to be a cement driveway that's going to be standard for you here in this neighborhood as well. So I do love the door in addition of that open glass, but it depends. I know some don't like to have that kind of open of a look to it. So very, very nice overall. I do like these columns as well, just kind of coming in to the front area here. So let's pop on in and see what we got going on. Oh, very nice. All right, I always do enjoy kind of the long hallway look when you first come in the home, so you have a little bit of that going on. There's definitely some different options here going here, and I want to make sure I explain them to you. So you got this kind of wall all the way down here that you're going to have, and typically standard when you walk into this area or this part of the home, it is actually an open space here. So where you see the den here is open, and where you see here is also open. So you've got kind of a flex front area, and then you have a maybe dining, since it's off the kitchen, kind of front area. And the options that you have are actually to have an enclosed den, as well as you can have an enclosed bedroom and bathroom that you can change this space into. So they've done one of the 2 options, so we'll definitely be here to show you that. But I do love the enclosed den size, and this is also going to be, you know, typically without the wall here, what the space for the other open area is. But I think this is done well, as you can see, having a desk, chairs. It's a good size. It's all enclosed, so you can have a very nice den here up front. So I like the size of it. 2 good sized windows, and again, being on that front side, those are always going to be something that's going to be very nice and open. It's part of that curb appeal, so really, really do enjoy that. All right, let's pop back on now. So dining now area that you have, which is very nice. I love it when you do have it off of the kitchen like that. So doing this option, you're going to kind of have the butler's pantry area, if you want to call it like that, but having the cabinets and countertops that you're going to have here, but that does change up. So if you change the option to having the bedroom and bathroom, which I'll show you on screen, you're going to change up the kitchen as well. But great room in here if you're looking to do a formal dining or seating like they've done in here as well, to show you just a little bit of what you can do. So the options are open, and I really like having those multiple spaces already up front. So you have a den, you have this open space, you can do it as a living area, you can also do the bedroom. So walking on through here, I do love having this because as always, it's going to be some great added storage and cabinetry. Beautiful backsplash. You got some great added storage before getting into the kitchen. Very nice. So I like this setup here, and stairs and kind of open area. And I'll pop over here so you can kind of see it from this side when you're walking and coming down the hallway this way. So you got the kitchen here. I love how it goes around the wall, and what will change is if you do add that bedroom, what they're going to do is instead of having this half bathroom here, okay, you'll change that into a 6th bedroom and a full bath. That's gonna go here, and then the kitchen will now come around on this wall here as well. So I also have it up for you to see. But definitely gonna give you enough storage, I think, all around, enough room, enough space. You've got your sink and washer over here, stove over here. It's definitely space to walk through, and a beautiful size island. Perfect, I think, for this area. Seats 3. Don't want anything too big. So I think it does a great job overall. So let's just give you that kitchen. And then back into this open area, as you can see, nice high ceilings, double level windows, absolutely phenomenal. Now they've got the dining here that you can do. So if you don't do the formal dining up front, you have a more casual dining area. Very nice overall. There's definitely plenty of room between the two. I think you're gonna definitely have great for a full gathering area, and then your dining. This is definitely a table of my style, also nice and long, nice and sturdy as well. And I love how they've got the ability to seat 8 here. So again, you can have a nice big full table if you'd like to entertain. This is something absolutely perfect for you right here. So just off to the left, we've got a door that's going to head out to the patio. Now, one of the options they do make available for you is, if you'd like, you can change this into sliding glass as well. So instead of just having a single door out, you can change it into a sliding glass. But out onto the covered lanai and patio, so just giving you mainly here, right under the covered area. That's what's going to be your standard for this design and layout of the home. And then what they've added is just showing you some of the different things you do. Again, it doesn't always have to be a pool, nice pergola seating area, but just want to pop out and give you the kind of backside of the home a little bit, so you can kind of see that with how many windows they've got across, some great natural light flowing through the home all the way through. But a good size, patio, just with a nice screening. You've got some good room for furniture and a few other things that you might want. Maybe a grill right over here, who knows. All right, so back on in. So you take a look a little deeper on that gathering area. Again, I think it's just a good size. You've got plenty of room, and with those high ceilings, you can do anything. You can do whatever you want here. It's not gonna, it's always gonna look big. It's always gonna look grand just because you have that big feel. And I love the way and look and style of the stairway, the railings, the banisters, how they have that is absolutely phenomenal. So I just absolutely love that look. And if you like having those high ceilings, this is that luxury kind of style instead of feel for you as well. So they have upgrades to where you can change those. You can do the wood like this. You can do metal. I've had a client that did the metal here in this neighborhood. So it's very nice options and set up with Ashton Woods. So this door over here, before we head upstairs, this is actually going to be off into the garage. They're using it as a construction office here. And then this is just a little bit of an stair storage actually. So again, I love those places that give you that option, that add in those extras. Those are just the little things that make a home absolutely perfect, getting some of those added storage areas. So let's hop on up these stairs. Very nice. make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button to stay up to date on all the new construction and everything in the area in Orlando and Central Florida. We are going to make sure to keep you up to date. So it looks like we've got the primary right through there, and another set of bedrooms down the hallway here. And I think around the corner is one of my kind of favorite features in the home, and we'll start over there first. So before we get there, there's going to be a closet right here that's going to be your AC unit. So here's where you're going to do like your maintenancing and double checking of that. You know, we run our ACs 24/7 here, so you want to make sure those are top notch for you. And one of the best parts about getting is new construction, brand new unit. All right, so this is a suite room, as I love to call them. Great size overall, a little more than your typical bedroom size. We're definitely going to get a good feel, good spacing in the room, as you can see. Got a little bit of seating area there. So if you have folks that are staying with you, in-laws, having that kind of extra space is always great. And if they can be in their space on their own, having everything they need, it's absolutely phenomenal. So good sized closet in here for you, just to give you a little bit of the size of that. And then as you can see, when you get the lights on, there we go. We've got a nice bathroom that's available right in the room. So very, very nice work. I love the subway tile on this one here. So yes, you got a nice full bathroom, countertops, again, just showing you that cabinetry and craftsmanship that they love to do. Very great style with Ashton Woods overall. All right, so let's head on back now. Now, I guess you can kind of consider this area a little bit of a small loft. Again, not much to do, but what they did here kind of can show you what you can. Just a nice desk or something that's nice and easy, quick, so somebody has a place to sit and do something. So it's a very nice setup with something that you can do when you don't have a huge amount of space, showing you what you can. All right, and then on into our bedroom here, which again has a great size. One of the features I love about this one, it's got a little bit of a walk-in closet. It's not a huge one, but it's definitely got a little walk-in to it. Smaller size, but let's pop one in so you can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's just right there, but it's right a little bit of a walk-in, so it's kind of nice instead of having the typical kind of smaller closet. So let's get on in here to the bathroom that the bedrooms on this end will share. So nice little linen closet, storage closet right here, of course. And again, showing you what you can get. I love this countertop that they've chosen, a nice smooth look overall. I definitely gonna have to find out that material for you. It looks like they've got a great option to do other than some of the other typicals that you see. So I like that. And again, I love the window in the shower here, because this is a great way to get some natural light in your shower. Not a lot of people are going to do that. Typically a shower on this side of the home, it would not have a window in that area, and it would just be wall and closed in. So very, very nice to add that in, add that natural light. I love the floor that they've done here, the tiles, so you can kind of choose and see some of the different options, different textures that you can do throughout. So always in my reviews, make sure you're paying attention to some of the flooring and things that you're seeing around, so you can see those added options that you might like for you. All right, on into this bedroom here, which I really like on the size. I think with the bunk bedroom, it kind of makes it look a little bigger, but I like both of those windows there. Again, on the front side of the house, part of our curb appeal up front there. But very good size. And then this closet, I think is, you got the door, but I think it's a typical size. I did not see a walk-in on the plan, right? Yep, so it's just more of your typical size closet there. But I like that it's a door versus like the accordion, definitely more my style. Because again, you have an opportunity to then change the hardware here into a more luxury, style hardware to match all the way throughout the house. And so it's just one of the small things that gives you a nice luxury feel. So on into the laundry room. Good size. You definitely have for your machines, and the sink, as you can see. As always, probably cabinets up the top here are going to be one of my recommendations. One of those things that they offer it in the upgrade or design area. You definitely want to get that. But of course, having this window up front, again, a spot with some great natural light. So I absolutely love it. Instead of the laundry room just being this little dark, spot in the corner, and they didn't have to, bother with it, they put that window for you to get some great light. So I love that. All right, let's head on in to our primary bedroom. And I think my absolute favorite feature, you know what? Before I do that, actually, let's make sure we let you know about the other options. So we do have the open area here where you can kind of look down and see, which I think is just an absolutely, great feel, grand feel, luxury. But for those that need a little bit more, you do have the option of turning this area here into a big bonus room area. All right, so instead of having this looking down into the area there, you'd have the whole floor of a bigger bonus room. There's also the option of adding in another bedroom, so you can do a bonus room and 5th bedroom as well, so that you can have that up here and utilize this space in the plan instead of having it open. So I'm definitely the type that's going to want to do something like that. All right, so then to the primary bedroom, I absolutely love the double doors look. And heading in, I think is a great size overall. The 2 windows, very nice. They did the tray ceiling, just kind of showing you what you can do as far as some of your added options. But I love that double door look. And as you can see, so much space between the bed and how far, they have the little kind of stools at the bottom of the bed, so you can kind of see that, and how far to the dresser, how far to the seat, so plenty of room in this bedroom here. And then right around the corner is where they head on into the bathroom. Oh, I do love that tile. Very nice, slender tile, great look and texture overall. I enjoy that there. Very nice. So beautiful bathroom here. Oh, wow. Okay, so some of the features that I'm really, really excited about. I love this shower here. The way that it kind of sits off in this side here, and they've got the rain, the subway tile. It looks absolutely exquisite. Oh, I absolutely love it. So you have your enclosed water closet down on this end here, and then a little bit of a storage closet right there for you. Now, I absolutely love this window. Man, only just a few of the builders that you get to are gonna have that window there for some great natural light right in between your mirrors, and I absolutely enjoy that. I think it's just great to have, when you're in the bathroom, having some, you don't have to kick on light if you don't want to. It's some great natural light. So just again, showing you some of that cabinetry, and I love the style here, different hardware pieces, showing you some of the luxury touches that you can get, some of the bigger trends that are out there today. And then on into the walk-in closet, great size over here, and a phenomenal window for some great natural light, as you know I absolutely love. But here you're gonna definitely want to do a great custom setup, get your upper, lower levels, different sections, and this is going to turn this closet out. Absolutely phenomenal size, and that's all you need to do to take it to that extra step. All right, my friends. That was the Griffin. I really hope that you enjoyed this plan. I did. I love, again, that grand feel and look. Now, I'm a person that's probably gonna take advantage of putting in that bonus room or that bonus and 5th bedroom with bathroom instead of potentially having that open space. But if you like those high ceilings and like that opening space and the way that the stairway kind of, crisscrosses back and forth coming down, that's a phenomenal look and something that you can see as a common feature in Ashton Woods as well. So luxury feelings all the way around, luxury touches. You definitely get that, and I love the modern style. So if you'd like any more information on this home and the new phase that's coming up, please make sure to give us a call at 407-325-4904. You can search homes directly at jointhecollection.com. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, I invite you to join the collection.